Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share my top 5 picks for the best budget wireless headphones on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. JBL Budget Wireless Headphones. Are you looking for a convenient way to stay connected to your music and calls without dealing with pesky wires? If so, then check out the JBL Budget Wireless Headphones. This affordable pair comes equipped with Bluetooth 5.0 streaming for seamless synchronization between up to 2 devices, making it easier than ever to switch between them on the go. You can listen for up to 40 hours on a single charge or extend that time for an extra 2 hours with just 5 minutes of charging. Even better, these headphones are designed with JBL Pure Bass sound, the same quality audio found at the world's top music venues. Number 2. B-Mantle Budget Wireless Headphones. The B-Mantle Budget Wireless Headphones are ideal for those who need quality sound and long-lasting performance. These earbuds come with a dual LED display charging case, providing a clear and easy-to-read battery power indicator for both the earbuds and the case. This feature allows you to monitor the battery of your earbuds easily and ensures you never get caught without power. With the built-in chip technology, Bluetooth connection is also clear and smooth, allowing users to make crystal-clear calls from anywhere. Additionally, these earbuds come with one-button control and auto-pairing, making them incredibly easy to use. Simply pull them out of the charging case and they will automatically connect to the paired device, no complicated instructions required. Number 3. B'Ribes Budget Wireless Headphones. The B'Ribes Budget Wireless Headphones are the perfect choice for anyone who desires a high-quality listening experience. Featuring advanced dual 40mm dynamic sound units and 6 EQ modes, you can choose between balanced sound, extra powerful bass, and mid-treble enhancement modes. No matter the musical preference, these headphones deliver an amazing audio output. In addition to great sound quality, these budget wireless headphones also offer impressive endurance. With a 500 mAh battery, they provide up to 65 hours of continuous playtime and 950 hours of standby mode. The adjustable headband offers an easy fit for all head sizes, and the earmuffs are crafted from memory protein for added comfort. These headphones also feature the latest Bluetooth 5.2 chip, offering faster and more stable transmission up to 33 feet away. Number 4. Trebla Budget Wireless Headphones. The Trebla X3 Pro wireless earbuds offer an incredible audio experience for an affordable price. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.0 technology and a Qualcomm chipset, these budget wireless earbuds provide a fast, stable wireless connection and high-quality sound with aptX compatibility for dynamic bass and crystal-clear highs. With an IPX7 water-resistant rating, the X3 Pro earbuds are designed to handle sweat and rain, making them the perfect workout companion. An ergonomic ear hook design and 3 sizes of silicone ear tips ensure these earbuds stay comfortably and securely in place during any activity. Control your audio with the built-in buttons on each earbud to change tracks, adjust the volume, answer calls, and activate voice assistants like Siri or Google Assistant. Number 5. Anston Budget Wireless Headphones. The Anston Budget Wireless Headphones offer a convenient and affordable solution for enjoying audio from your TV without the hassle of cables. With its 2.4G wireless RF technology, these headphones provide a reliable connection with minimal static sound and interference. You can enjoy audio and video in perfect synchronization without any noticeable delays, with a wireless range of up to 197 feet. Equipped with a built-in independent DSP enhanced audio decoder chip, these headphones deliver impressive audio effects for movies and concert-like experiences. With the press of a button, you can switch between musical, movie, and normal modes, each providing its unique sound signature. The shock bass and 3D surround effects enhance your listening experience, adding depth and immersion to your favorite content. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.